Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today it's about testing this Parkside air paint spray. And let's start it. Definitely we are going to connect it with the compressor air by Parkside. The video is right in the corner and you can see the review and unboxing of the compressor. Well, let's connect it first to our pressure hose. Connect here and secure. Now you can take some paint that it's suitable for a paint spray gun. Just take the paint and fill a little bit here. Very nice. And close it. Be careful, you don't want to split it out. And now it's about testing. Let's see. Well, I think it's doing a very good job. Let's take a closer look. Paint is going very good in the metal. I'm very happy with that. Yes. And with that guys, this is the end of the video for the air paint spray gun testing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, is your choice. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. It costs only 12 euros. It goes with the compressor, air compressor, 99.99 euros. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice and lovely day and share this video. You never know who may need it. Bye bye.